Good evening. Welcome to the Royal Cucumber. My name's David. How may I help you this evening?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly. May I have your name and contact number, sir?
It's Thiago, and my number is 987-320-3201.
Thank you, Mr. Thiago. And when was the reservation for?
I'd like to book a table for two at 7 p.m. this Saturday. And if possible, would like to sit by the window facing the river.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Thiago. I can get you a table for two at that time, but all of our window side tables have already been booked. But we do have a table available on the deck. It offers a great view of the river if you don't mind sitting outside.
Well, it's the middle of winter and I don't know.
Oh, we have 2 stove heaters next to every table on the deck, so it'll be nice and cozy. I can personally guarantee it.
All right, I'll take your word for it.
Wonderful. So I'll have a table for 2 on the deck for 7 p.m. this Saturday.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thanks, you have a good day now.